are here at Dollywood's DreamMore Resort and Spa right here in the Smoky Mountains. This resort is truly inspired by Dolly Parton, and we're going to be staying here for a few days. I can't wait to take you on a tour. Let's go explore. Welcome to the Dollywood DreamMore Resort and Spa. I'm going to take you on a tour. It is fall here at Dollywood, so you're going to see a lot of fall-inspired decorations, lots of pumpkins. It's just really pretty and really will get you in the mood for fall. Here's your main lobby. Over here to the left, this is where you check into the resort. They have a lot of nice little lounging areas in the resort, all kinds of places where you can sit down and relax. One of my favorites is over here to the right. When you first walk in the resort, there's a beautiful picture of Dolly on the wall, and you and your family can just sit here and relax while everyone is checking in. One of the things that I love about this resort is when you first walk in, you get this beautiful staircase and also this gorgeous view of the pool. It's a little bit chilly right now, so there's not a lot of people out at the pool. This is one of my favorite places here at the resort. This is your quick serve, so you have grab and goes, lots of salads, sandwiches, cheese and fruit trays, drinks, but they really do a fantastic job here. You can build your own egg sandwich in the morning. They have lots of pastries here too. Everyone's been really friendly here. You can get your coffee, your tea, also ice cream. Hello, good morning. But what I loved is the breakfast sandwiches, and also they have build your own pizzas. There is also a nice little seating area in here in case you want to sit down and enjoy your coffee, ice cream, pizza, or sandwich. This is really cute. Song and Hearth is their buffet restaurant. And over here to the right, you have Pokeberry Lane. This is their gift shop. They are only open Monday through Sunday, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. It looks like right now they're closed. She must be taking a break. They will return at 1 p.m. This is your resort gift shop. Last minute gifts for friends and family. Lots of t-shirts, sweatshirts, all of your Dollywood or Dolly inspired merchandise you can find in this store. The lobby is actually on level 2, so these are your level 2 rooms. They have 4 elevators that take you to your floor. So when you walk into the resort on the right-hand side, you'll find all 4 elevators right here on level 2. Okay, we're gonna head over to the other side. Here's another one of those nice little lounge areas, so you can hang out here after a day at the park and play checkers, sit by the fireplace, and tell all those stories about your great day at Dollywood. Dolly is all about family and family gathering, and you can see that all throughout her resort and also the theme park. Ooh, it's a little toasty over here. I'm surprised those pumpkins aren't cooking. The other cool thing about these lounge areas is they have her actual instruments displayed around the resort. Here's a banjo. She played all kinds of instruments. She actually played the saxophone, so how cool is that? One of the services that they offer here at the DreamMore Resort is a ticketing center, so you can get all of your Dollywood tickets here in advance. Also, they have other experiences that you could purchase tickets for, like the Pink Jeep Tour, the Dolly Parton Stampede, Pirates Voyage, the Comedy Barn, and Hatfield and McCoy Dinner Feud. We're going to be heading down the stairs here to level 1. This is where you can have access to the pool. Also, Song and Hearth is down here, the spa, the game room, and the indoor pool. There's hubby. There is something really special about level 1, and it is this right here. I'm just going to go ahead and read this to you. This Chestnut Dream Box is a repository of Dolly's memories and wishes for the future. It will not be open until Dolly's 100th birthday on January 19th, 2046. As a final tribute, Dolly has placed a song which she has written to be released as her last, entitled My Place in History. Only Dolly knows its melody and content until 2046. Here's the view coming down the stairs on the first floor. Again, another nice lounge area. They also have live music here throughout the night. Over here is Song and Hearth a Southern eatery. As you walk in, there's a bar. You can get all kinds of specialty cocktails, but what's really cool about this bar is that there's a bunch of mason jars on the wall there. They're actually a bunch of individual pitchers, and they represent a barn. This is the main dining area for Song and Hearth. It is a Southern eatery, all kinds of good Southern comfort food. I do feel like it is elevated Southern comfort food. This room is just so charming. You can just feel that comfortable vibe in here where you can hang out with your family and tell those stories of your day. Dolly believed in having dinner together with your family, and you can see this all throughout the restaurant. We are here at Song and Hearth for breakfast, and first off, I have to go to this beautiful old-fashioned donut wall. How cool is this? You just open it up and you pick your donut. I'm definitely going to be back to this station. I mean, that smell is just absolutely fantastic. Then you come over to the bar. You've got all kinds of cereals. You've got some fruit over here. It looks like cantaloupe, pineapple, honeydew. Over here, you've got some stone ground grits, steel cut oatmeal, all of your fixins here, sausage patties, applewood smoked bacon, scrambled eggs, veggie scramble. You've got your sausage gravy, you've got biscuits. Over here you've got vanilla French toast, waffles, buttermilk pancakes, all of your fixins, and some syrup. You've got all kinds of different pancakes. So you've got birthday pancakes, cinnamon pancakes, blueberry pancakes, chocolate chip pancakes, and triple chocolate chip pancakes. These all look so good. And my favorite station here at Song and Hearth's breakfast buffet is the eggs and omelet station. So you have all kinds of toppings that you can choose. And then you have Bill over here who will make your omelet for you. They are cranking those omelets out this morning. We just finished our meal here and everything was really good. Everything was fresh. It's a great way to get your morning started if you're staying here at the DreamMore Resort. So check out Song and Hearth for the breakfast buffet. And I can't believe they actually had a donut wall. Head over to the other side of the resort now. I'm going to stop right here and go through this hallway really slowly. This is just such a cool hallway. It's a great photo opportunity as well. These are a lot of Dolly Parton's album covers, and I think they just did such a beautiful job with this hallway, and this painting is spectacular. Dolly loves her butterflies. You can see that all throughout the resort. Here's a fun little wall. So you can see Dollywood on one side, and if you turn around, there's the Dollywood train. And the Gristmill. Can't forget about the Gristmill. So we're heading over to the game room, Camp DW, the indoor pool, and the fitness center. So you and your family can have a good time playing some games, some air hockey, basketball. They do have a small fitness center here at the DreamMore Resort. Just in case you feel like you need to get to the fitness center here, especially if you ate, 1 or 2 cinnamon breads. On the other side, there is Camp DW. They do have an indoor pool here on those chilly days, so you can go and hang out at the indoor pool. We're gonna head over to the spa. Again, that's on level 1. I love the chandelier here. Wes and I actually had a chance to visit the spa. We had a relaxing foot massage. Let's go check it out. It is beautiful in this spa, but you can get all kinds of spa services in here, and also they do have all kinds of products as well. Last but not least, we're gonna head out to the pool. It is kind of a chilly day, so we're probably not gonna see too many people here. I absolutely love this pool. It is beautiful. It's tucked right here in the mountains. Check out this gorgeous pool. And on the back side of the fountains is where your hot tub is. Check out this view out here. There's nothing like being in the Smoky Mountains when there's fall foliage. Over here, it's turned off right now because it is so chilly, but they do have a kid splash area. But one of my favorite parts about this resort is on those really nice chilly nights, you can head over here to a barn. Wes and I were actually out here last night. During the nights they have a fire going, but this is where they do the bedtime stories, and also I believe they do s'mores out here too. This is a nice area for you to just come out here, grab a rocking chair, and just relax out here in the Smoky Mountains. I love this little truck. This little fall, very festive truck is just part of some of the decorations that they have here at the DreamMore Resort. I'm gonna go ahead and pan up here to get a good view of the resort from the pool area. It's just so beautiful. It's comfort at its best. It makes you feel like you're at home. So we're gonna head over here. I have a nice little surprise for you. There are a couple of different one-of-a-kind experiences that you can have here at the DreamMore Resort. You can actually stay in her tour bus. There are stories that when Dolly visited the resort, she would actually want to stay right here in her tour bus. She loved touring and she loved her tour bus. But yes, if you really want a one-of-a-kind experience, you can stay right there in Dolly Parton's tour bus. If you really want to splurge, it's $10,000 for a minimum of 2 days, but it does also come with a resort room. Okay, so we're gonna head on in. One of the biggest perks to staying at the DreamMore Resort is getting free time saver. So basically you can skip the lines 8 times during your visit to Dollywood, and also you get free shuttle service to the park. Now that you've seen the resort, let's go check out the room. We are staying in room 413, which is a king with sleeper sofa. So let's go check it out. Here we are inside the room. Over here at the left, you have a couple of hooks. It gets really cold here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, so that's great for those colder times where you can put up your jackets. Over here, you have a nice full-size mirror. Us ladies and, you know, those of us that are concerned about our outfits, we love checking ourselves out before we head out to the parks. Right over here, you've got a little cubby area. So you've got your hangers, your iron, your ironing board, some extra blankets in case you get cold for those cooler nights, some extra space down here for storage, and then of course a couple of drawers. I love this bathroom. So it's not necessarily a split plan, but you have a separate toilet room, and I'm a big fan of the separate toilet rooms. So just very simple, you've got a little towel rack up there. There's your toilet paper, and a trash can. And then over here is your little vanity area. You have some extra hooks over here, tissues, your cosmetic towel, gotta love that. And all of your extra towels, your hair dryer. And then over here is the shower. So it comes with your Dollywood body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. But just a really nice shower area. There's your shower head, and you can tell it's just really nice and clean. There's your shower curtain. Now moving into the actual room area, it is gorgeous. It is really a beautiful resort. Look at that king bed. I love all of the butterfly details. So it says, "Put wings on your dreams, Dolly." I love it. And then you have 2 really cute little nightstands over here. I love these little lamps that say dream on them. And then over here, you've got your little charging station with an alarm clock. And of course, you have your sleeper sofa. And you can fit 4 comfortably in this room. So if you're a family of 4, this king with sleeper sofa room is perfect for you. Right in front of the bed, you have your dresser and your TV. So it's your standard flat screen TV, and then just down below, you've got your safe if you want to store all of your valuables, and also a couple of drawers. You have a couple extra little cubby holes here, and your ice bucket. And then over here on the right, you have a little extra drawer right here on the top, and your refrigerator, your standard resort refrigerator. We have already stocked it up with some water. And then last but not least, we have this little desk over here. This is perfect if you have any kind of work that you need to do, if you want to journal in all of your fun park days, but there's also a really nice little mirror here. So if you want to sit down and do your makeup here, you can do that as well. I know it's nighttime, but check out this pool view. How beautiful is that? There's hubby.
Hello there. I've been hiding.
What do you think of this room, hubby?
I think it's really cool. Looking forward to spending a few days here.
We think that this room is perfect if you're staying here at the Dollywood Resort, but these rooms are beautiful and I highly recommend staying in one of these rooms here at Dollywood. We hope you enjoyed our room and resort tour here at the DreamMore Resort and Spa at Dollywood. And we hope that this will help you make your decision easier if you plan a trip to the resort. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe below, and also click that bell icon to receive future notifications of uploads. I'm ready to head to the park. How about you, hubby?
Let's go.
Okay. Hubby, my back's on fire. My back's on fire.
Oh my gosh. It's like,
that's nothing. I sat up.
Man, that thing put out some heat.